Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making Parmesan garlic mashed potatoes and showing you how not to end up with a bowl full of slimy potatoes with no flavor. My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. So the secret to making sure that your mashed potatoes come out at the right consistency is cutting your potatoes just the right size before you boil them. So for a potato this size, you only would want to cut this in half, maybe in thirds, no smaller. Or else, the potatoes will come out really slimy because the smaller pieces are going to soak up all the water. So the secret to really flavorful mashed potatoes is adding a little chicken broth to your boiling water. This is going to pack those potatoes full of flavor. Family, I hope you enjoyed the Parmesan garlic mashed potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my secret recipes, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Peace.